Hello, my name is Daniel, and I wanted to share what I believe is a very common problem on many make and models, specifically in my case in a 2002 Hyundai Santa Fe. I did all the tune-up stuff on the vehicle about 6 months ago, and the parts store that I went to did not have the plug wires in stock, so I opted out of replacing them because they seemed to be in good condition. Like I said, 6 months later, we've progressively had a misfire and sort of a stumble on the vehicle, be in park, and it's sort of just hesitating or lurching forward. And I've replaced many parts that had probable cause for being replaced. I wasn't just throwing money at our vehicle. And yesterday I tested out my spark plug wires, which, like I say, appear to be in great working condition, but they were actually failing and arcing across the top of the cylinder head and the valve cover and the blocks. So I'm going to go ahead and start it up. You will want a spray bottle with just water in it. I have not had an engine code for any of the issues that I've had. So it's been a bit of a pain in the ass trying to find this issue, and although I've repaired things and fixed things left and right that have significantly increased the amount of acceleration, I found this today. So here I just have regular water to make sure it's missing. So I'm going to spray it right down here. And you know, alright, so I pulled off the old wires, and I just wanted to show you here. They actually just came apart on me. So here I mean, that is so cooked. I can't believe the car wasn't stalling. But this is just absolutely cooked. Bad spark plug, or the plug wires. I dare you to touch it. Oh, you grabbed my hand and forced it off.